Hey, what's going on, team? We're going to do a watch list video for tomorrow's session. I promised you guys more watch list videos since I took a vacation recently. So here's the deal. I'm on the daily chart for /ES. We've had a little bit of a sell-off here. Nothing really to be super concerned about as of right now. But what this means is that a lot of stocks in the overall market have kind of followed suit. You see the big red here, the sea of red in my master watch list there. That means that it's kind of hard to do technical analysis with a lot of stocks following suit and just selling off with the overall market. However, there is always something to trade, and me being the bullish trader that I am, the bull bias trader that I am, we have a couple of things. So AMC is the first one on the watch list for tomorrow. It's kind of breaking this downward trend line here. It's been consolidating in this range for quite some time. It's back up and over the $6 level, right? So you had a daily candle close over $6, a little bit of volume coming in. If we look after hours, this actually pushed up past $7 and then has kind of come back down since then. But what we want to see is a break over $7, ideally a break over $7.25, to see if this can get some momentum back behind it, to push it probably, who knows where this thing can go, up to $8, $9. 10, and then there's a big gap above 10, so that's going to be kind of like the big level to watch. But excuse me, we'll take it one step at a time. So it needs to get over $7 first. The second one on the watch list for tomorrow will be AAL. No surprise here. This one's been on the watch. This one was on the watch list for today, following that the gap up and the upgrade news. So we're looking for a break over 21. I like it because it's showing relative strength kind of against the overall market. It did have a little bit of a sell at the end of the day, but 21 is a clear resistance point here. You see that intraday once and twice right there. So if we can get over $21, this has room up to 22 and then up to 23. Disney DIS is one that we did not chart. Was not on the watch list, but it had a monster day today, pushing up into the highs, pressing 194. So the big level overhead is going to be the $200 price point. We need to see this hold up following this run, and we're going to take it long over, or plan to take it long over 194 for the move up towards the $200 price point. That's the plan. Super easy analysis on this ticker. I have a couple of side charts that we're going to keep an eye on, one of them being APHA. I believe I had mentioned this to you guys previously, but it's been forming this range here, holding $19 as a support, now trading closer to the bottom side of the range. And with the overall market selling off, this has me thinking that this is a decent short opportunity. If it fails to hold 19, I think it could probably come down to like 17.5 to test this EMA right here once more, or even maybe as far down as 17. And the next one on the watch or side chart watch list will be Tesla. This was also on the side chart watch list for today. If we were looking for the break of that 50 EMA right there, the $750 area. This is traded all the way down to 709. So we'll see what it does at 700. Honestly, I would probably expect a little bit of a bounce right here, but I want you guys to keep alerts set at 700, because if that breaks below, this could still fall quite a bit. Maybe even as far as 650. In the upcoming days. All right, so quick review. AMC, AAL, and DIS will for sure be on the main chart watch list. Tesla and APHA will be on the side chart watch list. Really kind of a small watch list, given that there's just not a lot of technical analysis to be done with a lot of stocks selling off following the overall market. In the morning, we're just going to have to check for news, check for upgrade news or anything that may make a stock move. And if we get any pre-market up gappers, I'll be sure to include those on the watch list. But for right now, I'm pretty content with what we have. In these market conditions, if you are a bullish trader or a bull bias trader, you don't really want to be sizing up in a market that's coming down. You always want to be trading with the trend. So keep that in mind. I will see you guys all in chat tomorrow. Make sure to develop your plan. Keep an eye out for the exact trigger levels being posted on the watch list in the morning. I will see you then.